Design a premium travel planner built around personality, not just places. UXMagic doesn't just generate screens, it builds your entire product thinking. It suggests what's missing, flows, pages, even smarter structure. Change anything with a sentence. Make it look exactly as you imagined. Start with a sentence, end with a full product. Imagine, design, deliver, all in one flow.